Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today, I'm going to be doing a product review of this in-car entertainment system, and this is an Android Edge unit sent to me by Roadanvi to install in one of my vehicle, and I will be doing the product review of what this device actually has, and this is going to be my honest review of it. I'm not paid to do this, but just want to show you the cool features it has and how to use it. So let's get started. Now, starting with the boxing of this device, I kind of like the way the box look. It's pretty much firm, and this is the user manual, and at the same time the feedback and thank you card that comes with it. I think that's pretty cool. You have one bag of accessory for the Edge unit, and it has all the accessory wires in there, and another bag that contains the power harness. And I must say, I'm pretty much impressed the way it was boxed. This is not gonna be damaged. It's well protected, so kudos to them for boxing it well. And you can see this is a huge Android Edge unit, and taking it out of the box, and this is a 10.2-inch IPS touch screen, and it has a 720p resolution. This is not a full HD. It's a universal 2-DIN double DIN fit radio. It can fit any double DIN, and the screens are rotatable and detachable. That's one of the good things I like about it. You can adjust the screen up and down, and at the same time you can detach it completely. There are tabs holding the screens on the side, both sides. Once you pull those tabs, you're able to detach the screen. So I'm going to show you. I will lay the radio flat, and once you pull those tabs on the side, pull them out and slide the radio out, you can see it is completely detachable, and I can also remove the display connection to the screen, and completely you can detach it. And if you live in a high risk area, you don't want to leave it, you can just remove it and keep it. But pretty much I love that about this radio, because you can adjust the screen up and down, to your own desire. And so to continue ahead with this, you can see all the accessories it has. One of the cool accessory of this device is the SIM card slot, where you can buy a SIM card for internet access at all time. But one downside is that it doesn't come with a reverse camera, but that is not a big deal. You can buy a reverse camera of yours and then install it with a Android unit. But for the wiring harness, this is a 16-pin universal Android Edge unit harness, but the only thing is, for the pig at the end might not fit your specific car, so you just have to cut the wires and buy an external one that will fit your car and join it together. So next thing we want to test is the boot time for this device. As you can see, this is an Android 12 head unit, and we want to test how long it's going to take for this device to actually boot up for the first time. So let's wait and see. Wow, took 17 seconds for this unit to boot up, and that is pretty good. For a Android Edge unit like this, it's pretty fast. Like I said, this is a 720p definition ISP display, and the pictures are actually sharp for 720, and this is not a full HD, but you can see how the interface is looking like. You have widget to the side, and you have the button for all the apps, and the screen is pretty much responsive. I don't see anything lagging when I'm scrolling through the screen. It's very responsive when I touch. And let's see the car settings itself. This is 64 gig internal storage, and this is pretty large, and we got 4 gig RAM of for the system, so which makes it fast. This is not a 2 gig or 1 gig, so you're pretty much getting big buck for your money with this. And looking at some other features of the settings, this is what the Android is all about. And we have the volume settings. You can set the volume of all the media, Bluetooth, and all the good stuff in it. So I'm liking this unit so far, especially with the display. It's very crisp and clear, as you can see. And the widget that I have on the home screen are pretty pretty. And if I check again, there's some widgets at the top, Wi-Fi and all those information. It's just like an Android. And navigation also, it comes with its own inbuilt navigation. I can change this navigation to Google Map or Waze, depending on how you want it. And scrolling through this, it has a Play Store, just like an Android phone. You can sign in with your Google account and be able to download more apps like you want on this unit. And again, it comes with a radio, inbuilt radio, for you to listen to local stations around you as you go. Let's look at some other features that are pretty much in here. Let me check the Bluetooth. Let me see how the Bluetooth connects. So this is the device name, and I'll be connecting this Android unit with the Bluetooth of my phone, and let's see how that it's gonna be. I'll search for the Bluetooth of my phone now, and you can see the name of my Bluetooth comes out. I'll press to connect to it, and it pretty much pair. You can see it I will accept the pairing, but watch what happens when I pair this device. You can see it automatically went into Android Auto, which is very beautiful. A lot of Android units don't have a wireless Android Auto. And then this also supports wireless Carplay. If you have a Carplay, you can see how beautiful it is. My phone is connected to this Android unit with wireless Android Auto, and I can listen to my music and also use my navigation while I'm driving. I don't need to look at my phone. I can go to Spotify. You can see I have Spotify running. I can go to map, Google Map on it. I can put in I can also pretty much make phone call via my phone. So many of you know how Android Auto works, so I don't need to talk too much. But the good thing is it supports wireless Android Auto, and you can see that's the music I was listening to. I'm an Afrobeat person, so I love Afrobeat, and you can see that's why my playlist is all Afrobeat. So yeah, like I said, this device is actually, it's really good. The response time, the screen is not lagging. And let me see some other functions like the Wi-Fi. And I'm going to connect to a Wi-Fi available right now, and it's going to show all the Wi-Fi that are available. Now I'm about to sign in into the Wi-Fi with the password. So if you have your own Wi-Fi or you have a portable Wi-Fi, you can connect the head unit to it, and it's gonna pretty much be able to browse with the Wi-Fi. So now the next thing is for me to check all the apps like YouTube. Let's see how the YouTube so you can download it from a Play Store, but it comes with inbuilt YouTube, and I can search for any channel on YouTube. This is my channel. I log on to it, and you can see this is easy DIY live on the device. I can play video like I want, and I am pretty much impressed about how the head unit has been responding. And this is, if you have a video file connected to the USB, you can play, and also music you can play. But because I didn't connect it to the car yet, all those functions are not coming up. So let's also test the browsing capability of this. I'll go to Google Chrome, and I'll go to YouTube on Google Chrome. Let me see how fast the streaming quality is on this device. If there's going to be a lagging, so I'll go to my channel again and play one of my video on this channel and see if we have a lagging or not. But pretty much you can see my YouTube's are playing. There's no lagging. It's even very clear. I think I love the giant screen and crystal display. And for an Android unit less than $300 like this is actually very impressive. And I'm a Manchester United fan, just as a disclosure, so I have to show you my club a little bit on the screen. You can watch your live matches as you can, but the pictures are actually pretty clear, and device work pretty well as an Android unit should work. This is on the user manual. If you need more information on it, it's gonna help you. So overall, I love the device, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box and on where to get it on Amazon, and also the discount code for you to apply if you click in the link in my channel. So having said that, thank you, and see you again some other time. Peace.